Eson, or will Work Oster Force extinguish that fire? Ang Blacklist International ay mag-ingay ang Blacklist at Work
Grabe.
Oster Force fans dahil
Ang comment dito ni Shurlet Kane. Ang weird talaga ng pick ng Blacklist. That's why I love you. Blank. Pero eto na, let us go into game number 2. Work Oster Force versus Blacklist International. Tignan natin kung makakabawi na nga ba ang Blacklist or iwa-wipe out na ba to ng Work Oster Force. As we can see on the middle lane, focusing lang naman on to clearing minion waves ang Blacklist, but Work Oster Force kumukuha na kagad yung Harley ng kanyang own respective buff, and as of now, nag-jungle invade si Eson. Once yung back siya, busy no, na binabawasan na kagad yung red buff. Para nga naman pagpunta ng Harley natin, tapos na rin agad.
ready na. Kumbaga alam nyo naman pag may pagkukusa, para hindi tayo pinapagalitan sa bahay. Pero sigaw ko na lang to si Eros Dwayne, shoutout sa'yo. Pero going back, pag may kusa, may nilaga. Hindi, parang mali yata yun. Pero dito si Kosei pumasok.
Si Kosei, medyo malalim. Nako, Ionic Plates ang kanyang pansagot against Wise and Eso, pero very low on HP na nga yung Blacklist International. Kosei mapipilitan tumakbo, pero OM dito with the stun, nakasalubong indeed, pero mapapaback away lang din naman because those are two members ng Work Oster Force. Harassment is real. Galing sa magkabilang team natin, wala pa masyadong nagkakapatayan, pero the lead is in the hands of Work Oster Force. Hindi pa nakakakuha ng red buff yung ating Brody, whereas yung Harley natin nakakaikot na at nakakapag-steal na ng jungle cancels onto the top lane. Si Joe aggressing or aggravating dito yung ating ex-Borg. Baring at grabe yung rotation nila.
Yes naman, pero dito si Kosei hindi talaga nagpapadaig, sabi niya. Kahit alis ka, pigilan natin na makapag-stack up ka para hindi ka agad makarespo pagdating sa pag-initiate namin ng teamfight. But right now, Edward actually doing a great job in sustaining the game. Pero si Blacklist Oheb with the 3-6 naman ang nahihirapan.
Yes!
At hindi makagalaw, nahihirapan ng puso, pinipili ay ikaw. Ay, sorry, kanta na yun.
Oo, sana ako din yun napili. Pero eto, grabe yung punish na nangyayari dun sa Alice onto the bottom lane. Ayaw nila na makakuha agad or makarami ng stacks ang isang Alice. Nakita naman natin kanina na nakakasabay yung Blacklist International, kaya maaga nilang pinupursue na makuha at ma-takedown agad-agad. Pero the turtle is up for grabs that is being taken by Blacklist International. A possible contest coming from the side of Work Oster Force. May kalapitan lahat ng kanilang mga miyembro, pero eto nagugulo siya Rabbit dito, naghanap ng posisyon, pero Trimart easy with the Jit Kundo knocking up the member of Blacklist International. The positioning is real, pero back away lang din naman ang Blacklist International. As of now, Chu still focusing on the purple. Alin?
May pagsusukat sa Blacklist International kung kakayanin nila eh. Noong na-realize nila na pagka tayo nag-engage dito, there is a possible pick of sa hypercarry natin. We need to play it safe. And right now, yung turtle natin, dalawang clash na yung naganap pero hindi pa rin nakukuha. Going TMA mode!
Nako, si TMA na nga ba ang makakapuro dito, pero Joe with the first blood, mapupuruhan din si Eson dito with the Deadly Magic. Pipilitin niya tumakbo, pero last insanity has been connected. Joe is very low on HP and he is going to be taken down by the Farsa. Pero Joe with the Jit Kundo, basic na combo. There goes another takedown and another takedown. 4-for-2 exchange in favor of Work Oster Force. West Kosei onto the bottom lane, split pushing, taking down the gold plate turret. Gaano kaganda yung ginagawa dito ngayon ng Work Oster Force, Maring at Ina?
Yung ganda, around 80% Baymax, to the point na Blacklist International was shunned away doon sa turtle buff natin. Work Oster Force on the other, very confident sila kapag pumasok si PMA mode, that paves away. Kumbaga nilatag niya na agad yung groundworks ng isang bahay, tatapusin na lang. Diba dito ng Work Oster Force nila, 3 marties here even unravel, but right now, Edward is being shut down.
Na naman.
Grabe,
pero flicker out. Flicker out lang din naman just to save himself. Itong klase ng rotation ng Work, pang-agre na eh. Hindi na to yung klase ng rotation nila kanina na pang subaybay lang or pang matchag sa kalaban. This time, they're being super aggressive against the members of Blacklist International. They really want to secure game number 2 dito. They really dislike the fact na nagkakaroon ng open space yung Blacklist International. Kaya kinukuha na kagad nila yung jungle camp ng kalaban dito, pero onto the top lane, the turtle is going to be secured na nga ba ng Work Oster Force or magkaka-contest, and I think hindi na to i-contest ng Blacklist International. They already know their limits when it comes to team fights against the lineup ng Work Oster Force, and nakita naman natin and naranasan nila na hindi pa nila kakaya. Pero onto the middle lane, Imperial Justice will connect on PNA, pipilitin tumakas dito with the Circling Eagle, pero hindi makakalayo because he's been locked down by Lady, actually by Eson. Ang ganda ng ginawa, pero onto the top lane, isagot ang Work Oster Borg. Eson is going to follow up on the turret. is going to be secured already. Here comes
Counter
another
go
teamfight.
na
Makapalit
naman.
pa si Unravel dito. Pero Eson, tinusubukan lang naman yung open. Yung backshot natin dito with the revitalize sustaining himself. Pero buhay pa rin hanggang ngayon. Here comes the backup Chu with the Deadly Magic meeting. Auto Lady Señorita. Very low 1 HP. Mapipilitan tumakas pero Eson. Very low 1 HP as well. 3 Marquise is still alive with the basic attacks. Jet Kundu Shun po palayo para makatakas ng naman. Double kill para sa harit natin. Pero Jet Kundu once again with the knock-up. Wise is going to be hit by the wave of the dragon. And there goes the triple kill for the side of Work Oster Force. Extended team fight yung naganap from mid to the top. Make it drop paring Athena. Anong kailangan gawin ng Blacklist International ngayon dito?
Dati sa 3-4-1 exchange, actually sasabihin ko sana before mangyari team fight na yun, yung mga pick-off nila against PMA mode yung kailangan nila. Kaso, yung pag-overextend nila ng team fight na nalilimutan nila mabilis makaka-respo isang Hardy, nakakapag-free hit niya sa mga parkour tricks na he has a space escape and the burst potential with the finishing
Oh
move.
my God!
Katulad niyan, guys.
Tulad no.
Yan yung mga kailangan iwasan ng Blacklist International. They have to find a way to actually stop Work Oster Force in harassing them. Meron naman silang Sylvana. Meron din silang Lady Señorita. Meanwhile, nakukulangan na sa pagpe-face check. Katulad nito, 'di ba si Wise actually nagpo-forward march, hindi na ispatan masyado ng first kill dito ni Lady Señorita. Hindi din nila masyado na-release yung prowess ng movement speed na nabibigay nung healing galing dito ni Lady Señorita. But meanwhile,
Oo,
Work
tama.
First is actually doing a great job. That is 2-0 na turret takedowns natin. 6-minute mark tayo, 20,000.
Grabe ah.
That is around 5,000 gold lead agad for Work Oster Force. And kanina, before the 5-minute mark na take advantage din ng Work Oster Force lahat ng energy and gold plate shields
Gold
natin.
plate.
Kaya
Isa
naman
talaga
talaga,
yun eh.
nag-step up sila. Pero right now, another jump dito, Imperial Justice.
Nako, Jit Kundu naman galing kay Chu, sinusubukan ng tumakas. Pero the slow and the torn apart memory is going to be connected onto his face and hindi siya makakatakas doon. Very strong cut lane sana or German cut yung gusto yung gawin onto the middle lane. He forgot na nandun lahat ng membro and with the help of Rafaela, mabilis makaka-respo yung Blacklist International. Pero Eson is being aggravated by Unravel dito. Disengaging na lang din naman. Work
Yes.
Oster Force. Item check lang din naman tayo paring Athena ng mabilisan bago tayo magkaroon ng panibagong bakbakan. Kasi ang sakit na ng damage ng Harley.
Yun, before the item check, guys, gusto ko lang yung point out, yun yung sinasabi ko na gustong combination sana sa
Oo.
Blacklist International. Imperial Justice coming from the Sylvana, tsaka lalatagan ng movement speed, and si Wise doon with a free treat lang. Pero dito, Necklace of Duras, meron agad si Matilda, pero wait, hold that thought, Baymax, another
Another
team
team fight is about to happen. Deadly Magic is being committed onto Oy, pero sinusubukan i-sustain Winter Transfer to grow as a player. Pero with the knock-up coming from Chu, siya ang mauunang mamamatay nga ba? Pero Baksa ang nauna. Kose is still alive. Alice is alive and kicking as well. Pero most of the members ng Work Oster Force is going to be forced to back away pero onto the middle lane. Secured na ang turret dito. Chu is still trying to run. Pero with this magical cap, makakatakas ng Dirman against the threats of Blacklist International. That was quite of a good exchange para sa akin.
Yes.
And in favor of Work Oster Force because right now, they have taken the middle lane turret that jungle camps or the buffs of Blacklist International are open to be taken by Work Oster
Yes.
Force. And mabalik lang din naman tayo sa item check dito from both sides of the team.
Yan, Blade of Reptiles and DOD para sa pare nating si Chu. Meanwhile, Athena Shield and Brute Force Breastplate. Kaya naman pala yung magic damage na nagagaling dito sa Blacklist International. Hindi na masyado nagmamatter para sa pare nating Uranus. Meanwhile, Calamity Reaper with the Feather of Heaven agad para sa isang Harley. Kaya naman pala yung damage na nabibigyan ng burst niya with a poker to sa Space Escape. Pero dito na pulahan na agad si Paco. Hindi na masyado na
This
palalim
is bad.
on Baymax, and that is actually a bad trade for Work Oster Force, lalo na unti-unting na-check na ng Blacklist International kung kailan nag-i-initiate nila yung Work Oster Force. Edward
eto,
trying to this Baymax, pero dito sa may bandang bottom side, mirror move
Naku.
ang ginagawa.
Torn apart memory has been committed, taking down PMA mode or yung ating Matilda was onto the top lane na secure na ng Work Oster Force yung turret natin, focusing onto the turtle. Onto the bottom lane, Kosei did a very good job holding out that second tier turret against 3 members ng Blacklist International. Pero onto the middle lane, here comes Imperial Justice connecting onto Chu. Delikado kalagayan dito, the Magic is enough to take down the Sylvana actually, and mapapaback away yung Rafaela natin. Chu, very unconditional yung item niya rito. Unconditional why? Kasi mapapansin mo agad na pang full combo yung ginawa niya, going for the Calamity Reaper instead of going for
Exactly.
something na DPS eh. Calamity Reaper is for
Ni Chu,
burst
guys,
heroes.
nung Harley.
Oo,
baka
ni Chu,
malito
nung
kayo.
Harley.
Ni
Hindi yung Chu ah. Yung
Ah,
Bale Cho yung hero.
Chow or Chu, ayan.
Yan.
Kasi
Cho
baka
yung
bumalik
ano,
ako. And
pangalan.
another
Ayan.
thing doon sa recent teamfight, Baymas, parang
Oo.
nabagalan ako sa rotation doon ng Blacklist International. Pumasok agad doon si Isam with the item check, Imperial Justice. Ang ganda nung pagkahuli niya doon kay Harley and even doon kay Parima Andrade, pero wala magiging follow-up. Instead,
Yun
may
sa bottom
bandang
lane.
top natin. And
Nako.
talagang nag-aamba lang dito si Kosei. He is trying to dish out the ultimates from Blacklist
Oo,
International.
ang ganda.
Aga, nasayang na nila yung ultimates nila in actually taking down Gosei, tas hindi naman nila agad-agad mapapatay. At talaga namang go signal yan for work also for dito
Nako,
na
pero
bait
eto, si
out
Oheb.
nila.
Si Oheb ang napikot
What I'm
dito.
talking about, Baymax. Talagang Kosei just goes in for a bait kung sino kumaga talagang patay. Pero dito si Wise. Naku po.
Nako, eto na si Vice yata magiging target dito. The stun will connect pero disengage siya muna under the turret. Eso, naganda sana ng pasok niya kaso mas maganda yung pasok na ginawa ng Work Oster Force dito. Last insanity is binactivated siya Unravel. Yung mapupuruhan pero Wise still on the go. Ang ganda ng disengage yung ginawa ng Harley natin dito. PMA with the Wisp damage out Lady Señorita making him back away. The positioning of Work Oster Force is really clean on that very last team fight. Blacklist International, even though under the turret na sila, medyo nadihado pa rin. Two members of Blacklist International has been taken down. Rotation of Work Oster Force mas mabilis in comparison sa Blacklist International na tulad nga na nasabi mo Maricatina, nababagalan ka. And I think the reason for that is they're trying to play safe at the same time. No, unlike Work Oster Force na alam nila na lamang tayo in every team fight. Nakikita natin yon
no?
kanina, nakakaya natin silang i-zone. Why not use it against the enemy team? And yun yung reason kung bakit maagang nagbaback away yung members ng Blacklist International dito.
Pero
And
right
as of now, ayan,
gusto ko to, nag-item agad dito na Athena Shield and Immortality. Tanky build ang iniwan dito ni White. Just like Carl Kizzy nung siya lagi yung inuuna from the international series. Pero right now, look at the attack. Nila Kosei, si Iso napapasamahan na naman ang posisyon dito. In my
si Chu!
Oh my God, Baymax.
Si Chu ang nagiging target dito pero Oheb successfully taking down the Harley pero hindi pa tapos yung bakbakan natin dito with the double kill pa tayo back na natin papasok pa sa loob yung Matilda natin dito and Farsa is going to be taken down pero Kosei is still on the go mega kill nga lang yung Brody natin with the free hit basic attack that is enough to take down Work Oster Force members. Ang ganda ng pasok ni Oheb from the backlines. Props din syempre kay kay Eson which is yung ating Sylvana na took down or na lockdown niya yung Harley natin. And yun lang talaga yung pinaka-iniintay ko para sa kanila. No, 3-4-2 exchange, tama ka dan.
Yes, 3-4-2 yung naging exchange natin. 12-minute mark tayo. Blacklist International could possibly go for a free Lord indeed. Look at the Jasmine Santi kinasaga dito. PMA mode. Medyo na-stun dito may bandang Geddy. Makakatakas pa nga ba with the Circling Eagle? No, he won't. Baymax. Because Blacklist International, sabi nila, hindi namin nahayaan na masayang yung sakripisyo doon ni pare mong Iso. Talagang gagawin namin yung best natin. Guys, kung mapapansin nyo si Wise more on the tanky side siya ng build niya. Pero, yung damage or
damage
base
nandun pa rin.
Isang Brody, sapat para pumalag. Yan talaga yung dapat yung inaaral pagdating sa mga updates, hero master, hero stats, yung pinaka-base nila ng wala pang ka-item, pumapalag.
Tsaka maganda rin talaga eh.
Maganda rin talaga yung mga position nila and look at that. Brute Force Breastplate for the third item for Wise, guys. Talaga namang hindi na siya agad-agad napipick off dito ng Work Oster Force. Meanwhile, kita naman natin dito sila ngayon. Ang
Kasi Kosei yan naging target dito. There goes a successful takedown para sa side ng Blacklist International. PMA malalak doon pa rito ni paring Wise and the stun will connect from Eson. He's trying to run away with the Circling Eagle pero double kill has been secured by Wise. Mas on the bottom lane si Edward ang magiging sagot ng Work Oster Force. That is not enough. Why? Because there goes a 1-for-2 exchange in favor of Blacklist International. Dugtong ko lang din naman dun sa sinasabi kanina ni Maring Athena, guys, na even though tank item yung binuo ng isang Brody dito, the damage is still there. Why? Brody mataas na yung base damage niya. Dagdag mo pa yung good emblem choice ni Wise dito with the killing spree and assassin emblem kasi, guys, one of the emblems na may pinakataas na damage na binibigay para onto the top yung Eson still trying his best to defend their base pass, hindi niya ata kakayanin. Actually si Unravel yung dumidepensya, nahuli na naman si Chu. Grabe, ang ganda ng huli ni paring Eson. This might be the end. Wise with the free hit dito pero Trimart easy nagpapahabol onto the middle lane. Here comes Kosei trying to back him up pero makakatakas nga ba? Nope, with that double kill, there goes another member Work Officer Force 3 versus 4. Ang naman natin, Otra middle lane. Pero ang ganda ng pastuhan dito ng Alice natin. Look at the damage. Ang Blacklist dito. Mapipilitan
Yeah,
na mag-back away pero pumasok sa likod. Yung Matilda natin, that is a bit
Gising na gising pa rin.
maraming load. Kakasabi ko sa'yo. Pero ano kayang insight syempre dito ni Sob Rodfield?
Agad-agad. Let's get it.
Agad-agad, di ba? Kasi ano yan eh, top 1 pinyaan na pa eh.
Rafaela pa.
Oh my